हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू IAS फाउंडेशन। जैसा कि हमने बोला था, आज जो हम बात करने वाले हैं वो यूपीएससी सीएससी मेंस 2020 का पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑप्शन लोक प्रशासन का ऑप्शनल पेपर। ठीक है, देखें कि इसमें क्या क्या पूछा गया है। पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, ठीक है, ये 250 नंबर का होता है। ठीक है ना, 3 घंटे का ये भी होता है। ऑप्शनल का सिस्टम जैसा कि हमने आपको बता दिया था, इसमें कुल 8 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, 5 करने होते हैं। ठीक है, 1 और 5 कंपलसरी है ना। जो नए बच्चे हों वो जान लें। और हर सेक्शन से 2 क्वेश्चन बनना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो चलिए देख लेते हैं कि इसमें क्या क्या पूछा गया है। द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज इन इट्स एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज एंड nuances of public policy making and implementation. Discuss principles of analysis and principles of action were not differentiated in tailored scientific management. Comment: arbitrariness in the application of rule of law is primary cause of poor governance. Discuss department, board, and commissions as form of organization are dissimilar in the context of accountability and responsibility analysis. Administrative man bridge and the psychological man and the rational man. Explain the movement towards governance as an organizing concept of public administration and management is because the focus of administration has been shifting from the bureaucratic state to the hollow state and third party government. Critical examine organization of the future will be organized adaptive structure but temporary system. Discuss how Warren Bennis characterized the new form of organization. Productivity is not the result of working condition but the result of emotional response of the workers of the work performed. Are Elton Mayer finding relevant in the contemporary organization? Performance information use is a form of organizational behavior that is influenced by individual, job, organizational, and environmental factors. Critical analysis. New public service emphasizes democracy and citizenship as the basis for public administration theory and the practice. Illustrate. Accountability under new public management has undergone a radical change, although the focus and continue to remain on management. Comment. Development in the field of administrative law reflect as increasingly blurred boundary between the state and society and between justice and administration has administrative law become more constitutional than the constitution itself. The content and process theories of motivation have the same focus but are different in approach. Do you agree? Give reason. Thrust on a citizen centrality and right-based approach him aim to empower the citizen in the light of the above. Has the administrative accountability improved? Justify your argument. सेक्शन बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखेंगे। कंपेयर इसे भी आपने 150 शब्दों में बनाना है। कंपेरेटिव पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्टेड विद नो paradigm of its own and developed non-comments. Market hierarchies and network represent modern governing structure in government. Explain. Has policy analysis become a major source of limitation of status quo in political and social order? Fiscal policy should address the issue of inequity, inertia, and obscurantism. Explain. Prevention of misconduct require institutionalization of ethical values at the political and administrative level. Justify. Administrative ideas must be seen in the context of environment in which they develop. In the light of the above statement, examining the influence of new public management and information and communication technologies or comparative study of public administration. Affirmative action in socio-economic development has not altogether eliminated descriptions discussed in the context of women empowerment. Have the political realities thwarted the move toward evidence-based policy making? Critical examine. Globalization is impacting the context of national policy making. The national policy agenda has become international. Explain. Collaboration and its congeners for public service delivery need to be viewed from the governance Lenses comments administrative reform in artificial instruments of administrative transformation against resistance. Gerard Kaiden identify the nature of resistance in the incumbent required to overcome it. This disputive nature of development in information technology has changed the counters of e-governance in the last one decade. Analysis performance management framework enable a clear line on sight between planning, measure, and monitoring performance. Critical analysis objective of performance budgeting include improving expenditure prioritization, effectiveness, and efficiency. Has performance budgeting work effectively in governmental system? Argo यह हमने पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लोक प्रशासन ऑप्शनल का पेपर 1 देखा 2020 यूपीसी सीएससी का। ठीक है ना, अब हम पेपर 2 देखेंगे। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का लोक प्रशासन का पेपर 2 है यूपीएससी सीएससी 2020 का। ठीक है, ये भी 250 नंबर का होता है, 3 घंटे का होता है। ठीक है, और पैटर्न सेम होता है। चलिए देख लेते हैं इसका क्वेश्चन क्या क्या पूछा गया है। सबको आपने 150 वर्ड में आंसर करना है। सेक्शन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में मुगल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन incorporated a combination of Indian and extra Indian elements. Discuss. There is a constant and continuous coordination between bureaucrats' values and democratic values which adversely affected development. Do you agree? Elaborate. Parliamentary committees are the deliberating core of parliamentary work which is crucial for refining legislation. Illustrate. Consider India's diversity. The planning pattern of one size fits all was discarded in the favor of indicative planning. So, what extent has it been useful to India? Even if all the states combine together, they cannot have their way in the decision making in the GST Council unless the Union agree to its analysis. This is the perspective of federalism in India. Question number 2. Discuss district administration is the most important until unit in the governance. Most of the central and state government schemes and programs are directed towards district administration. In this context, discuss the challenges and problems posed to the district administration. The structural part of the Constitution of India is a large extent derived from the Government of India Act 1935. संविधान का ज़्यादातर भाग जो है ना वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 में आया। 80% भाग गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया 1935 से आया है। Whereas its philosophical part has many other sources. Discuss the source of India philosophical part. The public service in India are the evolution of the British Raj. Trace the Indianization of the service. Does the privatization of key public sector bodies argue well for welfareism in India? Discuss with suitable illustration. The spirit of democratic values required that the independence of judiciary remain absolute. It is high time that the All India Judicial Service was created. Elaborate. To strengthen the Election Commission of India and its commissioners is the need of the hour. Suggest measure to make it more independent and impartial. Examine the national health policy in the context of the current pandemic situation. Identify the problem and suggest improvements. The Speaker of the State Assembly has assumed a significant role in the formation and dissolution of governments. Examine under the circumstances of coordination government with example. At the district level, police function under the overall supervision and control of district magistrate. Comment. Section B question number 5 में political neutrality of civil servant has been regarded as one of the cardinal principles in the democratic government. It is sensitive being maintained in the practice in India. Elucide. Budget is an indicator of financial health of a polity which is reflected in the statement of income and expenditure. Discuss. Panchayati Raj institutions are still plagued by the state control and domination of bureaucracy. Argue your case. Urban local governments is preemptively affiliated with the lack of financial autonomy and the starvation of funds. Elaborate. There is a large and long-standing demand for separation of police investigation from execution, analysis its merit and demerits. 6A में the Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India stand on a pillar of autonomy. Discuss the major lacuna in the functioning of this constitutional body, as also suggest measure for its strengthening. Impression of administration reform in humorous and arduous with the lack of push it realizes the change. Immediate post-retirement appointment of high officers of government have become a new trend. Discuss its pros and cons. Ward committees in urban local governments has remained mere paper tigers. The ideals of realizing effective people participation in the collaboration with local functionaries in still in the pipeline evaluate the gap in the theory of practice. Police need to be made accountable and freed from the grip of politics. It is a big challenge not only for law and order but also for development of the country critical examined. Civil servants are trained to follow rules and procedures so much that they become bureaucrats. Do you agree? Justify. There are adequate legal mechanisms to address corruption and malpractices in administration, but they have failed to curb the menace of the noticeable degree. It is the light of the statement. Discuss the efficiency of the institution of Lok-Yukta in Indian state. Despite the constitutional provision for representation, the voice of weaker section is not having desired impact in the real of Panchayati Raj institution. Critical examine. Ideally, citizens' administration interface is supposed to be based on true worthiness, and purposefulness. In reality, it is observed to be plagued by suspicion, conflict, stress, and strain. Do you agree? Elaborate. और इस तरह हमने आज पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑप्शन का पेपर 1 और पेपर 2 देख लिया। और जिनको पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है या जिनको रखना है वो इस वीडियो को एक बार ज़रूर देखें। आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा होगा। तो प्लीज़ आप अगर मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक करना ना भूलें, कमेंट शेयर एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस जरूर कीजिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपका ऑप्शन क्या है। जय हिंद।